Welcome to this week's Joe Cooks. Hope everyone's had a nice weekend and that. This week, I thought we'd continue the summer thing and that. We're going to make some homemade burgers. Simple, these ones, 5 ingredients, lush. If you want a good burger, make it yourself. We'll have a quick run through the ingredients and we'll crack on. Let's get stuck into this. There's no better than making your own burgers. Right, for mine, 500 grams of lean beef. Got this one from Iceland, 5% one. 15 grams of lean pounds and 15 grams of Dijon mustard and salt and pepper to season. You can put what you want in. If you want to make them spicy, put a bit of chilli in that in, put a bit of garlic or whatever in that. And we're going to be using these brioche buns to put them in. Just bought ones from Iceland and that. And I'm keeping mine pretty simple. Bit of salad, some streaky bacon and some sliced cheese. I'll be making my burgers in the oven today. But you can do them under the grill, you can do them on a barbecue and that. But right, we're going to go in with a mince, 500 grams worth. I'm just going to break it up a little bit with a wooden spoon. Then we're just going to follow it up with the rest of the ingredients. Worcester sauce. I said 15 grams, I ain't going to measure it, like weigh it out and that. That'll do. And about 15 grams of Dijon mustard. That'll do for me. Get rid of that. And some salt and pepper. And this is literally it. That's your prep. And now we just want to give it a good mix. Mix it all up in that. Get the mustard and that run through it. Like I said, you can put anything you want. You can put chilli in that. Chilli's lush. Fresh chilli in that, chopped up, put through your burgers. I mean, a basic burger mix is literally mince, salt and pepper, and that'll do you. Some people put eggs and breadcrumbs and all that in. Yeah, do what you want, it's your kitchen, innit? Right, the trick with this is not to overwork it. If you overwork it like a muffin, it'll just end up a claggy mess. Right, this is mixed well now. Like I said, I'm not going to overwork it. If yours is a bit claggy in that, just stick some natural breadcrumbs in it, something like that, you know. I might put some in now just so because I can. Just a few, it'll just soak up that liquid and that. But you still want it juicy in that because when you bite into it, you want a proper juicy burger, you know what I mean? None of this bone dry stuff and that. Right, that's mixed. What we're going to do now, we're going to make with patties or burgers. Patty, where did I get that one from? Right, I'm going to put a scale in the middle. Put a tub on it. Now I'm looking for 125 grams. That'll give us 4 nice big burgers. Proper man-sized burgers. None of your little wimpy burgers out the freezers and that. 116. 140, bit big. This will just keep them nice and even. They'll cook at the same size and that. Great. So we'll just get rid of that. Just scoop it up, make it into like a tennis ball or whatever. Squash it round. Flatten it out like a patty. Don't know how much you can see of this. Just flattening it out like a patty. And I'm going to stick it on this plate here. Round it off and just press it down. Look at that. Doesn't that look nice? And what you want to do is a little tip for you. I'll bring that closer. Is just make an indent in the middle. And when it cooks, because we're going to rest these off in the fridge for a bit, when it cooks it'll stop it turning back into a meatball. It'll stay flat. So I'll do the rest and we'll crack on. Right, that's what 4 burgers or 4 patties done, whatever you want to call them. But the trick is now is to get them in the fridge and we're going to chill them down for about 30-40 minutes and that'll stop them falling apart when they cook and they'll come out juicy, lush. So in the fridge, see you in 40 minutes. Right, we've had about 40 minutes in the fridge. Look at them, they've transformed, man. Look at that. You can almost handle them now, look. Perfect burgers. That's going to be lush when it comes out. That one's got my name written all over it. Right, what I'm going to do, I've preheated my oven to 200 degrees Celsius and I'm going to just spray my bars a bit with vegetable oil just to stop them sticking. I'm going to whack these on here. You see, look, you can handle them fine now. And that one, get rid of that. That's going to go in the oven for about 20 minutes. 10 minutes each side. I'm going to come back, I'm going to flip them over. And at the same time, I'm just going to cook my bacon off. Got myself a few oven chips and a couple of onion rings and that. Because I fancy the whole 9 yards today. Yeah, we'll come back in 10 minutes. We'll flip them over. Jobs are good. Jobs are good. We're nearly at the building stage. Right, it's a halfway point. We're just going to have a quick look at them. Look at them. Don't they look lush? We're just going to flip them over. Look at that. Absolutely solid burgers. Lovely. Lovely, man. Right, these are going to go back in the oven. Another 10 minutes. My bacon and that's going fine and that. And yeah, we'll build a burger. We'll eat it. We'll say we're goodbyes. And you can get in the kitchen and try it for yourself. Right, let's bring in what we've made. Look at them beauties. Look at them. Absolutely fantastic. So juicy, so juicy. Cook nicely through. What I'm going to do, I'm going to set it to one side. And I'm going to stick my bun in the warm oven. Just for a minute or two while I get set up and we'll build this burger. Right, I've got everything I need laid out in front of us. Let's create one masterpiece. I'm going to bring my plate in. A few chips, couple of onion rings and that. Because everyone knows it's burger and chips. It's never burger, it's burger and chips. So we're going to put a little bit of burger sauce on. Crucial's one. It's gone a bit thin over the years, like, so Crucial's get your act together and thicken your sauce back up. And we're going to go in with a bit of salad, bit of lettuce. Look at that. How do you make your burgers and that? Tell us in the comments, because everyone's got their own, isn't there? Everyone's got their own. We'll have a nice slice of tomato, bit of red onion. Lush, man, lush. Look at that. And the star of the show. Absolutely stonking burger. Fantastic. We're not done there. We're going to go in with nice slice of cheddar, mature cheddar and that. Look at that. Doesn't that look fantastic? And some bacon. I've let it go cold and it's gone a bit crispy and that. Absolutely stunning. So I think I'll put 2 of them in because I like that. We'll go on with the lid. And not to be outdone by the posh restaurants, we're going to stick one of them through it. And there you have it. My burger and chips, whatever you want to call it. It's that full, I'm struggling to get a good shot of it. Look at that, fantastic. 5 simple ingredients. You've probably got most of them in your cupboards anyway. So get in the kitchen, give it a go on that. I'm going to set myself up, have a taste. We'll cut it open and have a good look. And yeah, fantastic, fantastic. Homemade burgers. Who thought they would be so simple, yeah? Let's get this cut open. Who cuts a burger? I'm only doing this for YouTube. I would never cut a burger in real life. Get straight in the gob, innit? Look at this, man. Look at that. There you are. I thought we might do that. Absolutely fantastic. Look at that. Full of beef. Full of cheese, full of bacon, full of all the good things in life. So yeah, thank you for watching. Hope you enjoyed it. If you like, hit the like button, hit subscribe and that. Let's have a taste. Fantastic. Shame it fell apart, but there you go. Have a great week. Get in your kitchen, give them a go. Don't cut it in half like an idiot like me. And yeah, I'll see you next week. Goodbye.